Good morning, students. You're welcome once again to our revision platform where we revise all our L2 work in Js1. We've been revising even during the holidays, and I know right now you're in Js1, and this topic we're going to revise today, we are starting today, we will not finish it today, should be among the first topic in Js1 Igbo L2. You're welcome. No, Ibiala. The topic is Igbo alphabets. Abidịị Igbo. Igbo alphabets. Abidịị Igbo. Every language has its alphabets. Because without the alphabet, it will be very difficult to make words or form words in such language. Asụsụ ọbụla nwere abịdị ya. Maka ewepụ abịdị, ọ ga-ara ahụ ime gịnị, imebe mkpụrụ okwu n'asụsụ dị otu ahụ. Abịdị Igbo dị 36. There are 36 Igbo alphabets. I know your teacher would have said that. Please look at your notes. There are 36 Igbo alphabets. I'm going to read them out, and you can see them on the screen too. And join me. The reading will be a form of rhyme. It helps students to know the language, or to know the, no, not language, to know the alphabets faster. Ọ na-enyere ụmụaka aka ịmata otu esi agụ mkpụrụ okwu ahụ ọsọọsọ. Now listen. A, B, D, A, B, C, D, E. F, G, B, G, W. H, I, I, J, K. B, L, M, N. Nye, Nwunye, O, O. Berese, Shete. U, Ove, Nwenye. Ove, Nwenye, Ze. Ọzọ. A, B, C, D, E. F, G, B, G, W. H, I, I, J, K. B, Q, L, M, N. Nye, Nwunye, O, O. Berese, Shete. U, Ove, Nwenye. Ove, Nwenye, Ze. Okay. And we also have both the capital letters and the small letter. Abịdị ndị nnukwu na abịdị ndị obere. The small letters are the ones on the screen now. You can see them. Okay. Ndị a niile nọ na ihe onyonyo a bụ gịnị? Abịdị ndị nta. Looking at the Igbo alphabet, let's look at Che. Okay, no. Let's look at Be, Kwe. And we'll look at Be, Ge, and Gwe. The one with GB, GH, and GW. You see that the GB comes before, which is the Be, come before the We, and before the We. Where the GB comes before the GH and before the GW, because in the alphabet B comes before the H and H come before W. The same thing in P and Kwe. P comes before the W. That is why the P comes before the Kwe. The same thing with the Nye and the Nwe and the Nye. W comes before Y. And that is why the Nwe comes before the Nye. Hope you're clear with it. This is where we'll stop for this alphabet. When we come next time, we'll start with the vowel and the consonant that is in Igbo alphabet. Anyị ebido udume na mgbochiume nọ na Abidịị Igbo ma mbi ọzọ. Na-ege ntị, make sure you listen to your teacher. You know you're learning it as L2, as a second language. And Igbo language is very sweet. So as you listen to your teacher very well, you will understand and you'll be able to flow. Ndewo, ụbọchị ọzọ ka anyị bịakwa. See you next time. Make sure you share our videos. Make sure you also introduce these videos to other students who are learning Igbo as a second language so that they can also join us. Don't mind my voice. Ologorom. Ndewo, ya dịrị gị na mma, ya gazie. Aka m bụkwa Odoziakụ Amaogu, ya gazie.